welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting, honestly. I've been waiting to film this video I think for the past 3 weeks or a month already. I think I've been talking about it on my Instagram. Welcome to my home decor video. I'm super excited for this. And yeah, so if you want to see me redo my home decor, please keep watching. So I've spent close to about 3 to 4 weeks like buying all the decorations and like compiling it, and then finally like yesterday, it took me about 3 days to do everything because I like segregated it. So finally it's done. What I'll do is I'll try to link everything down below as best as I can, because a lot of it I did buy from Kaisen, and you know Kaisen, I don't think they have an online store. So whatever there is in Kaisen, whatever that I bought from Kaisen, I'll maybe mention it on the screen, and then whatever I bought online, I will link it down below. Oh, and I'm also throwing in like 2 DIY projects that I did in this. Surprisingly, it came out really well, so let's go. Okay, so this is the overview of the room. As you can see, I need to like clean that. This is the bedsheet that I got from Shopee. It's super pretty, so I'm just gonna clean everything. Okay, so we're going to do the bamboo lights. I'm trying to look for it. I got this idea from Pinterest. You know, Pinterest is the main problem. Like, the more I keep scrolling, the more I find things that I want to do. Okay, so this is my idea. Let's see. Okay, so this is roughly like what I actually had in mind to do for this spot, actually. For this spot. Because as you know, my Christmas tree was here. 1 second. So my Christmas tree was here, and I thought that if I had something like, because I like the Christmas tree mainly because of the lights, like it like gave a very nice cozy effect here. So I thought if we can just use the lights, the same Christmas tree lights, and do some DIY thing, like I don't know how it's gonna go, but I did order the bamboo sticks. So I ordered them on Shopee. They were not actually really that expensive. It was, I think, for this whole thing, and it's actually quite long, like it's as tall as me, and I am 165 cm, so I got all of these for like 6 ringgit, and then postage and blah blah blah. So I'm going to try and just take the lights and twirl on them. I don't know how it's going to turn, but we will try. Okay, so the lights are from Shopee. I will link them down below. So I start off by securing the light at the end of the bamboo with a cable tie, and then I will snip it off with a plier. I wanted to use glue, but I think cable tie is a lot less messier. Then I sort of just twirl the light around the bamboo stick. It depends whether you want the lights to be close or
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Flying, get on board. We're soaring on top of the
Okay guys, so I thought I'll just give you an overview of what everything looks like currently. Don't judge the mess, it'll be beautiful by the end of the day. So we already have our bamboo lights. This is what the sofa looks like, because I want like before shots as well. Everything else is an utter mess because I've been like cleaning stuff. The table looks like this because all my decorations are here. So after this we will sort this out, and yes, so that's an overview of how everything looks like. I can't wait to see like what it looks like at the end of the day. Okay, progress update. We have already mopped everything. It's a lot more cleaner. Focus. It's a lot more cleaner now. Now I'm going to work on like my flower arrangements. So all these flowers, you guys, I actually got it from Kaisen. So all of them are from Kaisen except this guy. This guy was from Noko, you know, Noko Malaysia, the 2 ringgit shop. I got this from there. I'll try my best to put down the prices because like some of them have the tag and some I've already removed. I will try my best, but all the flowers, all the flowers, the vase are all from Kaisen. Yeah, okay, so let's get to arranging my beautiful flowers. I'm most excited for this though. Like, look at that. This is so beautiful. Like, imagine in the wind. Oh, and this was, you see, I've already ripped off the tag. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was 590 from Kaisen. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, so dang beautiful. I cannot. so pretty.
Right at the post office. No, thanks. Do you want me to change your training publication? Yes.
Guys, tell me that isn't so pretty. Why isn't the camera focusing? Guys, tell me this isn't beautiful. Like, oh my god, I love this. I'm not gonna leave my home ever. Honestly, I had a vision in mind when it came to like redoing my home decor. I always wanted to play with like neutrals and throw in a bit of green, because green has become my latest favorite color, especially like that emerald looking green. And honestly, I did not expect it to come out as pretty as it did, because you know sometimes DIY can go wrong. That won't necessarily look really good. It will look like a DIY, but surprisingly the DIY that we did this time is so pretty. Like, I honestly had so much fun. So the next thing we will be tackling, maybe in the next vlog or the next vlog, I'm not sure, is I want to create like a workspace in this house for myself where I can do my work and all that stuff. Currently my husband and I are sharing a room, and that I just need my own space, because sometimes I like to listen to music and stuff and it bothers him. So maybe in the next vlog we may work towards like setting up like an office space. Maybe I can do it with you. Another deco thing, let me know if you're interested. And yes, so yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It may have been slightly all over the place, but with deco and all that stuff, it definitely was. But I'm so excited. Let me know what you think about all the deco. Do you think it came out well? Do you think I should do something else, you know, and all that stuff? Let me know. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching until here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.